Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. It's only by saving and by investing that you are able to grow wealth. And getting a return, by the way. Save, invest, get a return of about 10% per month. Repeat for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years, 10 years, that you are able to grow wealth and grow wealth in the stock market. Today's topic is this: how I profited from the corona pandemic, or how Kenyans made money during the corona pandemic. Kenyans are unique. During the corona pandemic, some guys were getting out of jobs, some guys lost their jobs, some guys really suffered financially. Hotel industry was closed, the airlines were closed. People made serious losses during the corona pandemic. Many people died. In fact, globally, the COVID-19 disease killed about 4 million people, with the majority of deaths coming from America and of course United Kingdom, India, Italy, Germany, and most of these Western and all developed nations. Corona pandemic caused serious damages to the global economy and the global supply chain. But here in Kenya, guys benefited from the corona pandemic. We had COVID millionaires. COVID millionaires, guys, made money in the corona pandemic. Some guys were just walking on the road near Kemsa, and they were able to make 2 billion shillings. Guys made money in the corona pandemic. And now in the stock market also, guys made money. Let me tell you how. When corona hit, shares went down. Shares like Equity Bank went down to as low as 28. So what did the wise investors do? What they did is this: they bought at Equity Bank at 28. As I'm speaking to you today, or rather I'm speaking to you this month, depends with when this stock video will be uploaded. Equity Bank is today 50 shillings, approaching 55 shillings. So if you bought at 28 and you sell at 55, you've made 95% profit. 95% profit in Equity Bank simply means one thing: your money nearly doubled. Your money nearly doubled. If you have 100,000, it doubles to 200,000. If you had 10,000, it doubles to 20,000. If you had 5,000, it doubles to 10,000. If you had a million, it doubles to 2 million. That is how people made money in the corona pandemic. Is that the only company? No. There are other companies where people made money. The other company where people made money is Nation Media Group. Nation Media Group, during the corona pandemic, Nation Media Group dropped to 9 shillings. Actually, let's say almost 8 shillings and 50 cents. So what did the wise investors do? They bought. 1 year later, the share went up 3 times to 25, actually 26. So you buy at 8 shillings and it goes up to 26, and you multiply your money 3 times. That is how people made money during the corona pandemic. And that is how we got COVID millionaires during the corona pandemic. People who multiplied their money seriously during the corona pandemic. So like, while others were making losses and facing job cuts and losing families and going into stress, getting stressed and getting into depression, there are other Kenyans who made money during corona pandemic. So corona was not bad after all. Some people benefited, some people lost. But all in all, people made money during the corona pandemic. And if you didn't make money during the corona pandemic, I have a request. Join our Telegram group and together let's learn to save, learn to invest, let's learn to grow wealth. Asante sana. God bless you and have a nice day and see you in the next video.